This gossip godmother told me to follow her page if I want to change my fate. Once I do, I'll have the cheat code to my life.
Breaking news. Resident Royal Finn Hawthorne struck by speeding car March 5th at 3:17 p.m. R.I.P. Maple Grove's finest import.
That's today. I have to save Finn's life.
This is why I tell you not to be kind to your lessers. Now you've got some rando chasing after you.
No, don't talk about people like that. We're all made of the same stuff.
Oh, I'll quit. You learned that in the royal school?
Matter of fact, I did.
Really?
Yes.